The US is taking aim at Chinese companies once again in a microchips war that has seen the silicon tech industry and its Chinese counterpart arm wrestle for nearly a year. Washington has now introduced new restrictions that have significantly raised the stakes in this conflict. Now, the new law aims to block foreign companies from supplying microchips to Chinese companies. And top US manufacturers like KLA, Lam Research, and Applied Materials have also been ordered to stop shipments to Chinese microchip factories. And Washington, at the same time, is pouring in money to boost domestic chip production with a $52 billion package for US firms.
It used to be, in the 90s, that the US manufactured 37% of the world's chips. Today, it's down to 12%. So the problem is, how do we go create an economic situation, an economic model that brings manufacturing back to the US? And that's what the CHIPS bill is to do, is to close the global competitiveness to make manufacturing a reality back on shore in the US. And I think here's the thing about creating manufacturing jobs, high-tech manufacturing jobs. They create their own economic outcomes. And so I think $52 billion is a good start. Once the US starts to see in the economic growth and the economic engine that creates, that'll look to make more investments to keep that going.
Shares in top Chinese chip makers shed $8.6 billion in market value in only one session this week, as new US export controls threaten to obstruct Beijing's plans for technological self-sufficiency. Semiconductor Manufacturer International Corporation, which is China's largest chip maker, fell 4% in Hong Kong, while Hua Hong Semiconductor tumbled 9.4% and Shanghai Fudan Microelectronics plunged 20%. Shenzhen-listed Naura Technology fell the maximum 10% allowed in Shenzhen on Monday. Other major losers in mainland Chinese markets included ACM Research Shanghai and Advanced Microfabrication Equipment. The Chinese semiconductor market, based on end users, accounts for almost a quarter of global demand. The Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson said such moves are dangerous and that no country should enjoy development and progress alone.
Joint research and sci-tech cooperation between China and other countries has made important contributions to improving the well-being of humanity and addressing global challenges. Sci-tech innovation is an outcome of the development and progress of mankind. No country can enjoy it exclusively alone. Still less should any country abuse its sci-tech advantages to suppress and curb other countries from development. No restriction or suppression will stop China's science and technology from advancing.